This is the story of how I was able to cure all forms of infection, bone pains, stomach noise and bacterial movements. Sometimes it seemed the whole trouble was going to end, but within a couple of months it starts again. At the same time, my wife was battling with same issue, and it resulted to her infertility, fallopian blockage and abdominal pains. The whole situation baffled me, but I calmed myself down and stayed hopeful. One day I was browsing through my device and saw a slide advert image of herbal liquid mixture. I paused, clicked on it, and read it all. I usually don't like liquids at all, but then I looked at what my family was going through, and I decided to give it a try. I placed my order and used it as prescribed. That's how my story changed. I proceeded for lab test after use. The results came out with no bacteria growth or pus. I decided to share this testimony with people. Here's the natural herbal liquid mixture that eliminates infections, bone pains, stomach noise, pus, and bacteria movement. Click here to read more. http://minagerhusband.com/lp/sponsored source. Niger.ng. Show comments. Think it is important. Share with your friends.